My goodness. What happened? What happened to you? Oh no. That happened while I was at work? Did Mommy help you? What did Mommy say? Really? Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Say bye-bye. My goodness. Are you telling your daddy big stories? Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.